It was just a few days, but it felt like forever.
When will they announce we won?
Soon. I have written an acceptance speech.
Great thinking. Oh, here it is!
Welcome back. I know you're super excited to hear the winner of our song contest. So am I. Well, they're here in the studio, ready to play with Catgo and the 9 Lives.
But how could the winner be there when we're here?
Pigs make me sneeze. By Mo Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Chew! Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold! Good for you. The end.